how to turn off cross-platform play on Fortnite Nintendo Switch version or Nintendo Switch 2. So here's how it works. We're just gonna launch the game here. You can see me. Hello. Okay, so once the game loads, I'm just gonna make it more visible. Okay, so we need to sign into our account. Once you sign into your account, then you should be taken to the lobby. Okay, we're still connecting. Alright, so you want to press the plus icon, which is going to be this one. Press the plus icon, then the right button until you see settings. You want to click on settings. Now here we will again press the right button until we get to the account and privacy section. Here on the left you want to go into gameplay privacy, and you should see cross-platform play. For some versions it is going to be supported. On my specific version it is not supported, but here's where you will be able to find the setting, and you just need to turn this off. You will press A, then drag it off like this, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.